Mailchimp tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Mailchimp and how you can use it. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So for those of you who don't know what Mailchimp is basically a tool that can help you to sell products and reach new customers, and with it you can create your very own website and newsletter. So now that you know a little bit about it, let's go ahead and get on with the video. So what we need to do is we need to sign up onto Mailchimp, and you can sign up for free by clicking on the sign up for free button over here at the top right corner. Simply click on it and it'll take you to this page where all you have to do is enter in the information that it asks for, such as your email address, your username, and your password. And once you've done that, check this box and click on sign up. And now as you can see, once you've signed up, they will ask you to check your email address for the confirmation email. And as you can see over here, this is the email, and all I have to do is just simply click on activate account, and it'll redirect me to the website where my account will be activated. And all I have to do is check this reCAPTCHA, I'm not a robot. And over here, all we have to do is select the plan. So we have 4 different plans in front of us: the premium, standard, essential, and free. For the sake of this video, I'm sticking to the free plan, but remember, each of these plans have their own benefits as well. So for now, I'm going to stick to the free plan, and I will get 2,000 contacts and 10,000 email support. So I'm going to go ahead and click on next. And over here, all you have to do is enter in your first name, your last name, your business name, and entering in your website and phone number is optional. But if you want to have an impression, if you want to have a good impression, you have to enter in these 2 details. And over here, just simply enter in your address. And once you've done that, click on continue. Do you have any contacts? Nope, I don't have any contacts. Do you sell products or services online? Yes, I sell services. Another website or e-commerce store. Continue. And over here, select the additional emails you want to receive. I don't want to receive any emails. Click on continue. And there we go. Now that we have our account, we can go ahead and start using it. So over here, as you can see, we basically said that I sell services online. Now we need to select the tools that we use to sell our services. So all we have to do is simply choose whichever one we want. But for now, I don't want to create anything because it'll take quite a lot of time. But all you have to do is just simply select your tool that you use, and then you can just simply connect your site with Mailchimp, and then you can use Mailchimp services over onto that store. So it's really easy. Now let me go ahead and show you how you can basically create a website. So to create a website, all you have to do is come over here at the left side, and over here you will see the create button. Just simply click on it, and over here you will have a couple of different options. So over here you can create your email, you can create customer journeys, you can create a website, and within websites you have websites, domain, store, and appointment. Then you have landing page and multi-channel designs as well. But for the sake of this video, I want to create a website. So I'm going to click on website, and over here, as you can see, we can create and manage a website that comes with a built-in marketing tool. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that, and over here simply click on get started. And over here they're basically asking you start selling products, start designing your website, and start offering services. So let's go ahead and set up our website, edit my site. And as you can see, the tool is very simple. All you have to do is edit the pages. You have the style over here. You can change the heading, the bottom text, the colors as well. And then you have pages. You can add pages and stuff like that. Then you have cookie banner, which is disabled right now. But if you want to add cookie banner, you can go ahead and add it as well. I don't like to have cookie banners. I hate them. That's why I've hidden them. So I'm going to leave it at like that. But if you want to add new page, all you have to do is come over here into manage pages and click on add page. Once you do that, you can name the page, you can link that page as well, or you can set that page as a home page. But right now, I think everything looks good. As you can see over here, let me just go ahead and preview this website, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, it looks pretty simple. Let me just go ahead and edit this website, and this is how it basically looks like. So now we can go ahead and edit everything that we want. We can edit the background, we can change the layout, we can add background, the color scheme, we can even change the text over here, anything we want. As you can see, the editor is very simple drag and drop tool. Whenever I hover my mouse over onto any section, it highlights that section and it gives me an option. And if I select that box right here, it'll give me the option to change anything that we want. So as you can see, we can change images, we can change text, we can change background, We can add different layouts, color schemes, anything that we want. We can go ahead and do that. If you want to go ahead and link it, you can go ahead and link this page to another page if you want. You can go ahead and idle as well, however you feel like, and you can even change the style. If you click on style, you can go ahead and literally change anything you want. So over here, as you can see, the color scheme is right now black and white. We can change it to black and purple, purple pink, or text pink or lavender. I think that's it, lavender or black. We can change it to purple and white, gray and black, black or gray, however you feel like it. You can go ahead and do that. I feel like white or purple is much more popping, but I feel like it's much more minimalistic. It goes really, really well with the white and black. I think I'll keep it like that. Then you have the theme as well. You can go ahead and change the theme of the overall website. I would like to have rounded and more bold so that it has a better impact, or you can go ahead with a standard transparent background. I'm gonna go with the bold one, and then I'm just simply gonna go ahead and back it out. And once you have everything set up, you can go ahead and publish it. You can basically be done with it. So it's very simple. Now once you have you set up your website, you can go ahead and set up your product. And once you have set up your products, you can go ahead and set up your appointments. So let's go ahead and set up our product, set up our store. Basically this is how it will look like. You can start with a product, set up payments, and finalize and personalize the settings. So let's go ahead and start your store. Now that is if you wanted to open a store. You can go ahead and do that as well. Now, and if we come over here, we can add appointments, domain settings, and everything. So we have our website. Now this is our store right now. Basically you can choose if whether you want to have a website or a store, but I'm just going over them briefly so that you guys can understand. So now we have a store. Let's go ahead and start your store. And over here you can add the business name of it. We're simply going to use my name. And over here you can upload the image of your products. So and you can add in the name of the product, the price. You can add the product that this is a taxed accept, and that's basically it. So let me just go ahead and choose the product. So let's just say that we're selling this poster. Okay, selling this image. This poster is going over for like say $10. Okay, and then if we do that, and we'll just say that this product is tax free, and that is basically it. We're gonna go with I guess that would be a proper name. And once you've done that, all we have to do is click on save product. It looks like the stores are currently supported in the US and UK only. We can't create a store anywhere else, but as you can see, it was very simple. It's very easy. All I had to do was just add that. But let's see if we can actually do it. So that's basically it. We can go ahead and continue to store setup. As you can see, we've added our product. We can confirm the business address if we want to. We can set up the shipping options and set up payment with Stripe, and that is basically it. After that, you can go ahead and set up an appointment. You can go ahead and add your first service to start taking appointment online. That is basically it. Now, if you wanted to add a custom domain, all you had to do is come over to domains, simply click on it. You can go ahead and search for a new domain or upgrade to the website and commerce core, and then choose a domain that over there. Or you can have an email domain, add and verify your domain as well. So right now it's Gmail, so we'll stick with that. And you can, if you already have a domain that you have bought from various other websites, you can go ahead and connect that domain by clicking on this button. As you can see, it's very easy. Mailchimp is a pretty cool website. Almost everyone uses it, and it's really, really amazing. And you can also create campaigns. You can have automations over here, and you have content, you have integrations as well. You can add new integrations, or you can manage the integrations that you already have. Like, it's really, really amazing. Mailchimp is I recommend using Mailchimp. It's one of the most stable and one of the best and easy to use websites out there, and its website builder tool is really simple and easy to use. So that is it for this video, guys. That is how you use Mailchimp to create websites and create a store online. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.